Now, the Association of Female Lawyers in Kenya, that is FIDA Kenya, has raised concerns over the increasing cases of femicide in the country. FIDA Executive Director Anne Ireri says for the past 1 year, 10 cases of femicide have been reported in the media, with many more remaining unreported. Let's get the details.
A recent trend of homicide cases in the country has raised alarm, forcing anti-gender-based violence lobby groups to condemn the act. The recent cases reported are the gruesome murder of Starlet Wahu, the murder of a woman whose body was found at an Airbnb located in Roysambu, and a circumstances suspected to have been intimate partner violence. Addressing the media, FIDA Kenya Executive Director Anne Ireri has said for the last 1 year, 10 cases of femicide have been reported in the media, urging the government to hasten security and the safety of women and girls.
This day we'll have noble conversations with our young leaders, both boys and girls, men and women, to be able to engage them on behalf of their colleagues on how best we can ensure they are safe, whether they're in class, whether they're home, whether they proceed in social activities. It is not their responsibility to protect themselves, but how as a nation we can have intermediate, mid-term and long-term measures.
To assess the psychological, emotional, physical, economic and all social impact on violence against women and girls, and to empower institutions to enhance accountability, coordination, monitoring and evaluation for sustainable violence against women and girls programs.
She added that there is a need to additionally conduct a thorough, effective and dedicated investigation into the circumstances that led to the unfortunate incidents.
We are questioning what happened with the investigation. We have measures that have, for example, fingerprints taken. If we could tighten a lot of these measures, coupled with databases, for example, of sexual violators that are within the law, then it is much easier to be able to track a perpetrator.
When you have your friend, make sure that if they are going somewhere, maybe for a social event, if you're going together, if they are visiting someone, make sure that you check up on them. The issue of Scarlett, we had at some point she was reaching out to several people, but no one was responding to her.
FIDA Kenya has equally affirmed a commitment to offering pro bono legal representation and psychological support for the victim's family. Castichona Masha for KBC Channel 1.